Understanding not guilty plea in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting legal phrase, not guilty plea. This phrase is commonly used in legal contexts, especially in criminal law. Understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your English comprehension, especially when dealing with legal topics. Let's dive in. A not guilty plea is a formal statement made by a defendant in a court of law. When a person is accused of a crime, they are required to respond to the charges. Pleading not guilty means that the accused person states they did not commit the crime they are charged with. It's important to understand that this plea is part of a legal process and it has significant implications for how a trial is conducted. When someone pleads not guilty, it sets the stage for a criminal trial. This plea indicates that the defendant denies the charges and the prosecution must prove their guilt. The burden of proof lies with the prosecution. It's a fundamental principle in many legal systems that a person is innocent until proven guilty. Thus, a not guilty plea requires the case to be examined in detail in a court of law. Pleading not guilty can have several implications. 1. Trial. It usually leads to a trial where evidence is presented by both the prosecution and the defense. 2. Defense preparation. The defendant, often with the help of a lawyer, prepares a defense against the charges. 3. Legal rights. It ensures the legal right of the accused to defend themselves and to have their case heard fairly. Let's look at some examples. Example 1. In a theft case, John pleads not guilty, denying the accusations against him. Example 2. During a high-profile fraud trial, the CEO of a company enters a not guilty plea, challenging the prosecution to prove the charges. Understanding phrases like not guilty plea helps in comprehending legal discussions and news. We hope this video has shed light on this important legal term and its implications in the judicial system. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the context in which they are used. Stay tuned for more insightful language lessons. Happy learning!